The Nissan GT-R, a legendary Japanese supercar where state-of-the-art technology meets decades of human mastery. It all begins with absolute precision. Every line, every curve of the chassis is crafted to endure extreme track conditions. Advanced automation handles the heavy lifting, ensuring structural rigidity that can handle the GT-R's massive power. As the body takes shape, the iconic aggressive face is installed. Housing the massive cooling systems required for high-performance driving. Beneath the surface, every single component is torqued to exact specifications. Nothing is left to chance. Once assembled, it's time for the initial awakening. The car is put through its paces to calibrate its sophisticated all-wheel drive system, and then it receives its true identity, the legendary GT-R badge applied with the meticulous care it deserves. Every aerodynamic trim and body panel is hand-fitted, ensuring a seamless, aggressive stance. Underneath, lightweight carbon fiber shields are bolted on to create a perfectly flat underbody, cutting through the air like a jet. A final look underneath guarantees that the aerodynamic flow will keep the car glued to the tarmac at over 190 miles per hour. Inside the clean room, quality inspectors meticulously examine the exterior. They feel every millimeter with gloved hands to ensure a flawless finish. Massive performance brakes and lightweight forged wheels are checked one last time before the car is cleared for delivery. The result? A weapon of mass acceleration, ready to dominate the streets of Europe and the highways of America. But what truly sets the GT-R apart is its heart. This is the VR38 DETI twin-turbo V6 engine. In a hermetically sealed environment, a master craftsman, known as a Takumi, builds the engine entirely by hand, starting from a bare aluminum block. With precision down to the micron, the Takumi relies on decades of experience, using his hands and eyes to ensure perfect clearances. Every piston, every valve spring is balanced manually. This level of dedication is rare in the modern automotive world. It takes hours of absolute concentration to assemble the hundreds of high-stress parts that make up this engineering marvel. Every single internal measurement is double-checked. The Takumi can literally feel if something is off by a fraction of a hair's width. Once fully assembled, this power plant is ready for the ultimate trial. Before it meets the chassis, the engine is pushed to its absolute limits. Watch as the twin turbochargers glow red-hot under full load, proving it can handle the brutal heat of track racing. After a final auditory inspection by the master's trained ears, the Takumi signs his work, attaching a personal plaque with his name. A true badge of honor for a masterpiece of Japanese engineering.